Alright, I know what you're thinking. Some new dude, new to YouTube, gonna teach us how to get this Ferrari, get this new sports car by working completely from home, 2 hours a day. Um, that's not me, unfortunately. I'm Brendan. I'm here from Earn to Learn, a channel that's gonna be completely transparent, telling you exactly what I've been doing, what I'm gonna try to do, and taking suggestions for trying to do different methods that maybe bigger YouTube channels offer, saying, get rich by doing this or do that. And I'm going to be completely transparent with all the numbers. I'm going to show you exactly the losses, the gains, hopefully, that we make together. And luckily you can do this through my wallet as opposed to your own first. So I'll start off with this introductory video with a little bit about me. I live in New Zealand. You can probably tell from the accent. I've got a 3 years bachelor degree in commercial music, the industry side of things, so I can understand a few of the basic concepts of business, running one. I've done a lot of things throughout my life via the internet for money, drop shipping before it was sort of the whole Shopify and everyone was doing it. This was a much smaller scale when I was in, intermediate school, high school kind of thing. All sorts of referral schemes, pay-to-click websites, anything, name it, most likely I've tried it. But there are a lot of things that I haven't tried, and I wanted to document it while trying it, to hopefully help someone else avoid any mistakes, or who knows, for me to reflect back on even and sort of decide, I was here one day and now I'm here. And yeah, basically with this channel, I'm hoping to achieve somewhat of a two-way communication thing. I want whoever's watching to give me feedback via the comments, just saying, check this out, could you try this, so-and-so suggested that, could you maybe put this to a test. I don't see myself making a career as being a YouTuber, to be honest, but I do see myself hoping to live a lifestyle that's got a little bit more freedom than a 9 to 5. Both my parents came up working 9 to 5 jobs, and that's completely fine, if that's the route you want to take. But if I was to, and when I did work jobs such as 9 to 5s, I would always I'd come home and I'd jump on the computer looking for another hustle, something else I could do. And yeah, hopefully I can share a few of these with you. So yeah, thanks for tuning into this. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications as well, because I will be posting videos as often as I can, hopefully once, twice a week, showing you, demonstrating kind of what I'm up to with some of these numbers. But yeah, see you next time.